A very good morning. This presentation is brought to you by Resonate International with a mission to leverage knowledge worldwide. The topic being covered is devotion when even the cosmos yields. Ladies and gentlemen, nothing in existence stands still, from the silent pulse of atoms to the slow turning of galaxies. Everything moves, vibrates and responds. Science calls this energy. Ancient wisdom calls it prana. The language differs, the truth remains singular. Life unfolds as a continuous exchange. Energy received, energy transformed, energy shared. Within this vast orchestration, the human being holds a rare position, the ability to participate consciously. Human life is the unfolding story of thought becoming action. Every thought carries direction. Every action carries consequence. Purpose does not arise from ambition alone, but from responsibility, duty, and contribution expressed with wisdom, courage, and compassion. These are not imposed ideals, they are stabilizing forces, much like balances to motion. Values and virtues serve as the inner compass. They do not restrict progress, they protect it, ensuring that strength remains humane, truth remains steady, and righteousness remains inclusive. Awareness sharpens perception. Coherence aligns inner forces. Alignment sets direction. Human advancement is powered by 5 interdependent energy dynamos: physical, mental, emotional, spiritual, and aspirational. Among them, emotional energy holds a decisive role. Modern neuroscience affirms what ancient seers long understood. Emotional states influence neural efficiency, hormonal balance, immune response, and decision quality. When emotional energy declines, physical vitality weakens and mental clarity fades. When emotional energy rises, the entire system amplifies. This is where communion becomes transformative, not as ritual, belief, or withdrawal from life, but as alignment with the cosmic intelligence that sustains order within vast complexity. When emotional energy synchronizes with this intelligence, what ancient wisdom described as Rita, the principle of cosmic order, resonance occurs. This state of resonance is devotion. Devotion is not surrender of action. It is surrender of resistance. It is performing every duty, responsibility, and contribution with full effort, yet without egoic attachment, offered to a higher truth and universal order. In this state, work continues, but fear loosens its grip. Challenges remain, yet strength deepens. Effort persists, accompanied by the quiet assurance of guidance. As devotion stabilizes emotional energy, the human energy grid reorganizes. Intention sharpens, endurance increases, meaning deepens, and something subtle yet profound unfolds. The cosmos responds, not selectively, not sentimentally, but lawfully. Just as coherent waves amplify power, aligned human will attracts extraordinary energy, purposeful, sustaining, and progressive. This is not miracle. It is resonance in motion. When a leap of faith is taken with clarity, confidence, and trust, and in conscious alignment, support emerges, sometimes as opportunity, sometimes as resilience, sometimes as insight. The form varies, the assurance does not. What's the way forward? Strengthen awareness before seeking acceleration. Elevate emotional energy through gratitude, compassion, and truthful intent. Perform duties fully, yet release outcomes to the larger order. Let communion become continuity, not an escape from life, but its silent power source. In conclusion, ladies and gentlemen, Lord Krishna's timeless assurance in the revealed Bhagavad Gita reminds humanity that action offered in devotion never diminishes the doer. When effort is aligned with higher truth and attachment is released, guidance flows unbroken, protection unfolds naturally, and fear loses authority. And observing such devotion, when the soul stands firm in harmony within and in conscious resonance, even the cosmos yields to the power of that devotion in this state where human will aligned with cosmic order moves in equilibrium and perfect balance. The divine presence alongside is unmistakably felt. Good luck, best wishes, and God bless.